Now you're gonna go down there and clean up the mess you made of your parents' dead body. Go to your old house and come back. Fine, jeez. What? That guy was playing terribly. Hopefully the not smart clean bodies what I would tell it faster. Yep, I was right. It does smell like king bodies, but hey, there's my old controller I used in my Xbox. I could bring that up there instead of my old one, my brand new one that broke in half. Because somebody thought it was bad because my parents were broken in half. I hated them. Oh my god, I had to expose the body, clean up the blood and the weapons and crap. Okay, that way. Do this. Come on, Mom, your heavy body has to go in the big incinerator. Come on, Mom, I'm so fat. Come on. You should have lost some weight before I picked you up. I'm in the incinerator, Mom. Come on, Dad, you too. You have a fatter body than Mom, jeez. You're in the incinerator? You're a bloody mess. Now to clean up the blood. I'll clean. My blood clean. Hey, I'm gonna bring my controller. My controller is me. Bye, home. I'll see you next time when I visit you. If they force me to come back, if I kill anybody, and I have to clean the mess again. But it takes a couple seconds to get up here. Woomba 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 woomba. Fly, fly, fly. I'm flying that game, my wings are hurting so bad. My imagination's this. Hopefully. Even though I told my parents I'm so going to mess up before the police come because this might be an abandoned home. Finally, I got to the cloud. And right as I imagined it, you a new controller. Like the video games. This is a nice day. And